Hey everyone friends, welcome to the Wellars channel. Today I'll show you how to completely uninstall Discord from Windows 11. Same process works for Windows 10 too. First we need to open Start and click on Settings. Then click on Apps, Installed Apps. Here type Discord, click the three dots and click Uninstall. That's the first method. There's also another way. Find the Discord shortcut icon, right-click it, and click Show More Options. Here we go. No, wait. Yes, open file location to see where it's installed, right? There. And here we have the Discord folder, so we just delete it there. But first you need to close Discord, of course. Otherwise you'll get an error saying you can't delete it because the app is running, and that's it. This has been Wellars. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all the best. Good luck everyone, and see you later.